Hello, my name is Toni Ruokoja from Junkkari. Now I will present you the new Junkkari Woodchipper range. We have 3 models in our medium range for landscaping and energy use. We have 172 for 17 cm wood. We have 252 for maximum 25 cm wood. And third one is 262, which can take maximum 26 cm wood. For the demanding contractor use, we have 2 models. We have 320 for maximum 32 cm wood, which is a heavy-duty 3-point linkage mounted chipper. Then our biggest one, HJ500, is trailed model, and it can take maximum 45 cm wood. Next, we will go through each model separately. All Junkkari chippers are tractor-driven disc chippers. They are always equipped with high-quality PTO shaft with freewheel and overload clutch. If we have G model, we need one double-acting hydraulic valve from tractor for feeding rollers. If we have GT version or GTC version, we have own hydraulics here in front of the chipper. Then we need only PTO drive and electronics from the tractor. We have also very simple control for the chute. We can turn or adjust the flap. The no stress rotation guard is always standard in our new chippers. It can be easily controlled with this button. This display also shows the RPM of the disc. The infeed system is always equipped with 2 horizontal feeding rollers. The new infeed chute is designed according to the latest safety requirements. And it can be easily folded from transport position to working position. The feeding in and out is nowadays controlled with electric buttons, which are located on the both sides of the chute. So there is button for infeed and reverse, and also stop. We have also safety devices, like this yellow bar. If you touch it, it automatically stops the infeed. Same function with this emergency stop button. All hydraulics and electronics are under this strong metallic cover. So here is electronics for the infeed and no stress, hydraulic valve, and also hydraulic motors for upper and lower feeding roller. 172 and 252 are with 45-degree feeding angle. Chip quality is very good, but power demand is very low. 262 is the only model with 90-degree feeding angle. Power demand is a bit higher, but it can also make smaller chips. And then we have 2 bigger machines. 320 is very heavy duty 3-point linkage mounted disc chipper for the contractor use. It is equipped with a feeding conveyor. It has always own hydraulics. It also has very strong 3-point linkage frame and position for the flange mounted crane. It needs about 150 to 200 horsepower tractor. It also has Wizard C+ control unit for controlling the feeding and chute and other functions. Our biggest model is very powerful disc chipper HJ500, where maximum diameter of wood is 45 centimeters. It can be equipped with this feeding conveyor or normal infeed chute with 2 horizontal rollers. It has a trailed frame but it can also be sold without frame for stationary use. Here we can see the crane drawbar, where we have a position for flange-mounted crane and support legs as a standard. But if you don't need any crane, we can equip it with normal drawbar as well. As you can see, we have very wide range of chippers for different users. We have this modern medium range for private users and communalities. Then we have these two powerful chippers for contractors who are looking for cost-effective alternative for expensive drum chippers.